Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can download Instagram Reels video. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Now look for the target reel that you would like to download. You can look for it either on your feed window or the explore section. Once you have found it, tap on the share icon and then select copy link. Once you have the link copied, close Instagram and then open a preferred browser. Inside this browser, search for Snap Insta and give it a go. In the search results, open the first website and paste the link we just copied. Now wait for it to load. Once it's done loading, tap on the download button and the downloading will get started. So that's basically how you can download Instagram Reels video. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.